Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the different tab functions on an invoice line. Each invoice line offers various actions that simplify the execution of multiple tasks for you. These actions may include receipts, journals, credit notes, and more. In this video, we will start on a debtor screen. Click on a search debtor field and search for the debtor and patient you wish to invoice. With the debtor now selected, click on Account Details button on a debtor sidebar. The Account Details screen will open. Click on a desired invoice to access the actionable functions on an invoice line. We will now take a look at and give a brief explanation of each tab. The Invoice Lines tab will show all the individual invoice lines on the current invoice that has been selected. Each item line from the selected invoice will be shown on the Invoice Lines tab. Some invoices might have only one line, whereas other invoices might have more than one, depending on what the patient was treated for at the practice. Next, the Switch Response tab will display the present status of the invoice once it has been transmitted to the medical aid. Click on a Switch Response tab to view the current response and status after the invoice has been switched. Please note that if the invoice has not switched or has any switch details, the tab will contain no details. Actions provide a fast and easy way to action several tasks relating to the specific invoice, such as making a credit note, doing a journal, or even as simple as duplicating the invoice. Click on the Actions tab to view all the actions that are available to use. Lastly, credit notes can be applied to invoice lines in cases where an invoice was issued inaccurately or requires crediting for any specific reason. Click on a Credit Notes tab to view any credit notes that have been made on the current invoice.